Drizzy, I know. Your foot up.
Your body?
Drizzy. Your foot up.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the one and only attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, I say before me even start my topic, my people, let me tell you this, sir. You see, when I start up back on the fight again, me are telling this, sir. Look here, people, you know, say, at almost 2 years, I don't really upload videos like that on YouTube. If you check my viewers and subscribers, almost 2 years, you see me? I stay so boom, and I just take it easy, my people. You know what I mean? You know, normally I used to say consistent. I upload video. You see me? And I almost 2 years, I hardly upload videos. Maybe for a week, I will drop one. All in a month, all 7, 8 videos I drop. So now, since over a week now, I start back my YouTube and say, you know what? I start up back my thing the real way. Because Jah give me the powers and say, NEWLINK, them a fight, them a try to stop you, but NEWLINK, this is the time. I'm start attack it again, my people. And me I tell us so the fight them start already. But listen what me I go tell them this, sir. The Almighty me say, you can't stop it. You see me? You me overcome for almost 2 years, you know. And I know I only need to overcome. And me can overcome for just get myself intact together. You see me? Me going to tell you this, but you not stop it. Remember me telling you, don't thinking bad mind, you not stop it. You see me? You not stop it. Some people, here what go on now. You don't know, so the other day, we talk about Drizzy Burke, you see me? And I see a lot of people message me and I say, NEWLINK, no update on Drizzy, what go on with Drizzy from the time I did comment saying the meeting at the accident and at the hospital. So me I go on some update now, my people. Zane, the boss are going good, man. Him a go on good, my people. You see me? Him do him thing, him surgery and thing, and you don't know, say, him still in the hospital. You know what I mean? But him a progress well, him a talk good and thing. And you don't know, say, him foot broke and them thing. You don't know, say, that I go still plaster up and thing. You see me? You don't know, say, me have a video, people, where the whole Walking TV family go visit him. You see me? You don't know Johnny and the whole of them, my people. You know what I mean? All of them. Joker, you know what I mean? 6, all of them go visit him, my people. You see me? And me have a big up on TikTok, 1 ropes 2 mil. You see me? At 1 ropes that 2 mil. Because other you there, you see me? A film thing we get there. Video from the people, so you can go over TikTok and go check out him page and thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know the whole Walking TV family go visit him and thing and show them love, show them support my people. So me go show you that video so you can see what go on. You see me? Check it out.
You don't have anything can give me to eat like a piece of bread, Tony. I've been eating out of your hand for so many days now.
Yeah, basket every man. All the pass up me in there.
Basket look good, my boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, face and you look nice, man. Yeah, good skin, man.
You know dirty?
Yeah, man. You don't take out the stitch in
No. I pick them out.
there. You pick them
Nah,
up.
maybe I have nothing to do, so I pick them out. 6. Ersker, what? We are good? Ersker. That is it.
Yes, man. Yeah.
There's someone in there, people. Hospital. 6, yeah, come lay on beside me.
Man, bring a lady on the side of my
Go on up.
No, but you can't put the camera up on us.
I mean, what you mean? Put my in a 6.
Me, I look this man coming and say, man, I look in the big ball.
Me did a shirt and you feet and you look. Yeah, but what you do with the biscuit? Yeah, me I look at this in the last things. Me I try to say,
So far, everybody knows that for a long time, know your team. I bring you out to change your life. It's still a come on TV boss.
Listen. Someone need to know around us. Someone need to know around us. I said, I find the bill fall. If you call someone to tell him how much money I left in a bill fall and we are going out. And me catch you take out biscuit and put in your pocket. The biscuit, my man, for
you. Biscuit, but when you ask the car on the bill, why do the biscuit take up on the man belly? No, we have to search and say it right. You're not TV mentality, you take that chill.
No matter, man.
You still have the man?
Bingy, you have to look and see the man have everything before we leave. You understand me, Bingy? Once you come in, man, right, this is man, have to laugh and feel good. So we are on the video and we don't hear the laughing on our background. So we say, boy, where laughing all come from? So we say, make you take it from in the hospital and then I'm dropping right there. Alright, me I say.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, a Drizzy Burke that. You see me? So, progression I go on my people and give Jah thanks to life because the accident we met in my people, as I telling before, it was a deadly one. It was one where him could have not there so right now with we. Him could have gone. You see me? But God are the greatest. So, me I tell people in a life, and me say a lot of people I said this is not true jades, and me not gonna rebel over that. Me say it in the previous video when me do pertaining to Drizzy. Me say me not gonna talk about what people have to say. You know what I mean? We are talking about this brother who once recovered and one away with people. A YouTuber like we. So we have to wish the boss a speedy recovery. You see me? And wish him health and success and just make him know say Drizzy, you see, when you touch back a road, just take your time, my brother. You see me? Take your time and you see in you're going out and you're forwarding. Give the Almighty thanks and praises. You see me? And have faith and trust in God. Because I know say the Almighty in him have for your purpose, Drizzy Burke. And that's why you're there so with today right now. You see me? You may go through some pain right now. You may get some broke up parts and injured face, get couple damage and thing. You do your surgery. It was a successful one. But look here, at the end of the day, life are the greatest. You see me? Life is the greatest. The Almighty give you another chance, Drizzy Burke. I want to use that chance where God give you. You understand? To push some word of testimony out there, to make some people understand about the Almighty. So you see, even when you vlog them, mention something about the Almighty in them. Something where can uplift another person out there. You see me? Make them know your story, Drizzy. You see me? Because you're there for your purpose, my G. Remember, you know, my G, you could have gone. You see me? And big up to the whole Walking TV family. Because I love on stay tuned on go visit on the boss. You see me? What should expect on to do because we see on live. You know, even though more of them would have them look a riff-raff in them camp and thing with people, but you notice them go visit them boss and them did their own him and they make him smile, make him talk, make him laugh, and that him need. Them him need, you know, my people. You know what I mean? Him need them by his side. And you know what I mean? So I love the progression, man. I mean I say Drizzy, no matter the tongue where them I put against my brother. Me I go say this, me NEWLINK production. God are the man, you know. You see me? So no matter the tongue where them attack and I put up against me, G, God is the man. You see me? And me see some video where them drop and I talk about this bridging here. Some things that me talk and like a curse and this them I say them put pan him man one heap or something, you know. And me I say, yo, you see mankind, bro. Mankind, eh? Imagine, you know, the man mash up in a one car, you know, my people. They in a hospital bed that try to recover. And I say the man them a vlog and me not even hear the man them wish one thing and say about recovery. You know, because basically and something where them say go on where brother they drop out and thing. You understand? But in our life, people, we have to learn to move on. You know, we have to learn to move on. And I say make God the Almighty deal with that. You don't be the judge to cause any harm or no sin upon no one. And the Almighty if you do that, not you as mankind on earth. But some people fail to understand these things, bro. And that's why we say some things happen sometimes. But at the end of the day, my people, me and this man have nothing in a person. You don't know, say, as a blogger, me are the attacking boss. And if certain things happen, if you attack it, me I go attack it. So maybe in the past, just did, you know what I mean, do something and me attack it. You know what I mean, my people, but in the end of the day, when we attack and I like say, well, no grudge or no hate against no one, my people. Me I wish him speedy recovery. I want him forward out back and go and do him YouTube thing, make what him make, and them live what them for live and build up them thing and more strength and more blessings and make more money and you know what I mean? You mean for him and him family and him friend them and them live them life. Me I wish them success, my people. You see, me I wish no hate or no negativity towards him, nor him whole family or him whole walking TV crew. Me I wish them more success and more blessings. You see me? That me I say, my people. So, big up on yourself, man. And that are the update when me I go to my people. Him do him surgery. You know what I mean? It was good. Him still in the hospital. You know, so them not going to keep him too long because him recovered so well. God is the greatest, man. And you don't know. So, any more update me get again, maybe when him release and me see a next video and me can go to some update, me get local information. Most definitely, me will share it with them. And for the people who did ask, NEWLINK, what the update, that is the update, my people. So big up on yourself and thank you for the love and for the support. You understand? For every like, every share, and every comment. I'm wanting to know, so today date of doing the vlog is Thursday, August the 7th, 2025. So for anybody who asks, and I say, NEWLINK, when was this update? You don't know, say, today the people. So remember, NEWLINK back to school treat September 2025. Support the movement, people. Please, if you're there Jamaica, you want to donate some book, some pencils, some school bag, anything we have, you can donate it, my people. You want to donate some cash, link up, my people. Check below in the description, my contact information. Did you want to give me a call, WhatsApp message, link up, my people. Please do link up and support this and do it from your heart with the Almighty. God is the greatest. Be good, be great, and be safe. Follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, X, Snapchat, TikTok, NEWLINK Production Official, my people. Peace out, be good, be great, and be safe. And subscribe to the channel, please do.